Good morning, how's it going? Hope you're well. Now you may wonder why my neck's yellow, but I don't know what I've done, but I've had a neck, so I put tiger balm on it. But yes, welcome to the final. Well, it's not a final because I've not really shown you much of my building of my flat. Today I thought I'd show you a bit of me building my desk area, because one thing my flat is missing is of course a desk. We've got everything. Bed's made, wardrobe's made. We need a desk and a chair. So I'm going to show you me building my desk and my chair. Enjoy, have fun. Yay! It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so it's a bit quiet. Not too much noise around. So let's see what we can do. Have fun. I've ever had to build, so I'm trying to still be on it because it's still only about 8 in the morning. But yeah, that's the quickest chair I've ever had to build. It works. So there you go, easy. And it's called, I'll tell you now. This is the name and this is the product, and this is how much it cost. But yeah, good chair. Onto the desk. Now, if it's anything like that, that was really fiddly to build. So I'm hoping this one isn't fiddly to build. So let's see what happens. Okay, so that was long-winded, so you may have seen some of this, you may not. I'll find out in the edit. But what have I built? I've built this, which I did get the wrong way around the first time, so I had to redo it. And then basically put these brackets on. There's these 2 wall brackets on this thing, but the screws are really hard to get in with the screwdriver I've got, so I'm going to have to get a new screwdriver. So we're going to reset and tackle this bit. Hello! So many hours have passed. My battery decided to die whilst I was filming the building of this said thing behind me. I was going to do a big reveal but realised it was behind me, so there you go. So yeah, it got built. I've just realised as well, the shampoo I'm using is making my hair go blonder again, so it's stripping all the dye out of my hair. Weird, but I'm going to re-dye it anyway, back to its normal browny hair colour. Just because this is just odd, very odd. But anyway, the joys of having to dye your hair and then re-dyeing it back to your normal hair colour. That's a different story. Anyway, so this is what I built. Woo! Oh, we won't do that. So yeah, there you go. It wasn't actually as bad as I thought it was going to be. But it's actually good standard. It does kind of match my wardrobe, which is this here. The only difference is the wood colour. So this is kind of more of a lighter colour. This one's slightly darker. Would I have paid £140 for it? I don't know. I don't think it's worth £140. The way you build it is a little bit on the naff side. But again, it's good. It's good for what it is. It's sturdy, and it does everything I need to do it. I do need to get a new extension plug now, because unfortunately my fridge, which sits here, has to be plugged in here, but the plug for that isn't long enough, so I've had to use my very long extension cord to turn it on. So when I go to work tonight, I'm going to buy an extension cord for that, which is just like a single one, and this one, which is quite long, and then I'm going to mount it onto the back of here, mount it to this bit, so then I can plug everything in and get it all done. Chair though, I actually really like. I think this is actually quite a cool little chair. Really nice material, comfy, squidgy, does what it says on the tin. This was £60 and the desk was £140. But again, I need some magnets and then I can use this as a pin board, so that's really good. And it just gives me an actual place to do editing and work and stuff. And I've moved my plant out of the window because I think he's not enjoying it, because he's falling apart. So I'm going to get him some food tonight when I go to work and see if I can help him live again. I think I've given him too much sunlight. So yes, we're going to put him here from now on, but that's pretty much the house now. So yeah, so mini kitchenette, fridge and everything there, and then you can see I've just done all my washing up. This area I do want to put something, but again, I think I'm going to leave that now, just in case I do eventually end up moving. I don't want to get anything else, I think. For the meantime, bathroom in there, and then again, this is another thing I built. I really like this this kind of wardrobe setup. I think I might see if I can get a different type of one of these, but I like the fact that you can clip things onto it, and there's one down here as well, so I might get another or two matching, so then they can both go on there. And again, the only real annoying thing about building this was this box here. It was just really fiddly and annoying. But again, it's the same kind of setup as the desk. So that's all good. And then of course, I built my bed, which is again, it's a slightly different shade, but it kind of goes with the whole kind of feel of it. So there you have it. All together, my shoes. There you have it, my studio apartment, now kitted out with stuff so I can actually live. So there you go. Now the only other thing is, do I get a microwave? But I don't think I've not actually started using a microwave. I've not had the need to use a microwave, so I think all is good. But there you go. So hopefully this video won't take too long to edit and put up. So thank you for watching. I enjoy flat pack furniture. I think it's quite good. Look how blonde my hair is again. How weird is that? But anyway, so yeah, so I do enjoy building flat pack furniture. You wouldn't have told from that montage of me building that this morning, but But yeah, so there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you real soon.